Space is a very, very strange, enormously large place, but most people think that the planets are all the same, made up of a ball of gases and stones, but the planets are very different from each other. Welcome, I am Allison, and in this episode we will talk about the 10 strangest planets in the universe. Planet GJ1214b is the owner of the title of the water planet, and it was classified as a completely watery planet because it does not contain any land at all, and this is not like the water planet that appeared in the movie Interstellar. The water on this planet is so deep that it reaches the center of the planet, and anyone who is on the surface of this planet will only see water in all directions. And this is what makes him win the title of the water planet in a well-deserved manner. You are very lucky, because you do not live on this planet. This planet rains pieces of glass all the time, and everywhere on the surface of the planet, the atmosphere of this planet is completely filled with silicon particles, which give it its beautiful blue color, but the extreme temperatures cause compressing these silicon particles and turning them into glass. And not only does the planet rain glass all the time, but this glass flies all the time at a very fast speed of up to 6,400 kilometers per hour. If you think that life is difficult on the previous planet, this means that you do not know the planet WASP-12b. This poor planet is eaten alive by the star that revolves around it, and this planet orbits very close to the star, followed it to the point that the heat melts the surface after it, and its mass is gradually eaten up as it revolves around the star, and the size of the planet is close to the size of Jupiter, but it looks a little bigger because of the high temperature on it that makes it inflate like a balloon, and this planet loses about 6 billion tons of its mass per second, and the truth is that this planet loses its mass so much that its shape has become oval. Gliese 581c is a very special planet, and the reason for its distinction is that it has been voted by the scientific community as one of the 3 most discovered planets that could have life, yet it is very different from Earth. The star around which this planet orbits is classified as a red dwarf, and it is a type of small star relatively cold, and this means that if you are there and look at the sky, you will find that its color is always red. And the planet also has a restricted range like the moon we have, and this means that the planet does not rotate around itself, which in turn makes the planet always face towards the star, and another face that does not see the star, and the face towards the star is so hot that you will melt if you stand there, and the other face is so cold that you freeze instantly. This is because there is a dividing line along the planet that separates the cold region from the hot region. And the temperature in this line is suitable for life, and in 2008 NASA sent a satellite message directed towards this planet, and it is expected to reach the year 2029. 470 light-years away from planet Earth, a planet was discovered by the Kepler telescope, and it was named Kepler 438b, and this planet is very strange. Not because there is something abnormal in it like the previous planets, but on the contrary, the planet is strange because so far it is the closest planet in the world. The similarity of planet Earth and the percentage of similarity between it and planet Earth is 88%. And this is a very rare case, and it was discovered in January 2015. And this planet has everything that allows life to exist on it, and the distance of this planet from the star follows it and places it in the place scientists call the habitable zone. And this happens when the planet is not very close to its star, which makes it very hot, and not too far from its star, which makes it very cold, and this means that this planet is very likely to have water in the picture, the liquid, which is the most important reason for life. And you, dear viewer, tell us if you liked these strange planets that exist in the universe in which we live, and do you think that it is possible for life to exist on a planet other than our planet in this universe? And do not forget to support us with the like button, subscribe and share the video with your friends.